Everybody, welcome back to the Flannel Channel. I'm Philip, glad you're here with my buddy Nick Sinclair. And he's my friend, my brother in Christ, my tattoo artist, and he's into really cool off-roading Suburbans. So today's episode, we're gonna be putting a lift kit in this thing and doing some bigger off-road tires and things like that. So anyway, should be a fun episode. This is something that I don't do a lot of. Is this your first time?
Doing what?
Like lift kits and stuff?
Yep.
Yeah, so we're gonna figure this out as we go. Should be a good time. Stick around, here we go. So Nick, tell me about this Suburban. What year is it? What is it like? What has been done already to it, and what are we doing?
2009 Suburban Z71. What's been done to it? A bumper, so a move bumper, the ones where you weld together yourself. Okay. The keeper winch, and I put the rope on today.
Oh, nice! Hey,
So
there you go.
Okay. Finally, 2-inch body lift.
Okay, so it already has
the frame.
Okay,
we put that on.
Okay.
So, and then we're doing a 3.5-inch rock country lift.
Perfect. And then what size tires did you choose?
We're going 35s.
35s.
So,
okay.
We're going smaller on the rims. I do not like those rims. 17-inch rims with the 35s, and I hope it fits.
Okay.
And you have a Sawzall?
I have a Sawzall.
We'll
yeah.
make it fit.
We have torches. We have all this stuff. We can make this work.
So we'll
yeah.
make it fit. So that's what we're doing.
Cool. So, all right. So you got a tape measure, and you took some measurements from the fender.
But I was just doing this. I mean, that was,
yeah.
you know, from here.
Yep. So we're at what, 19
19
and a half?
half-ish.
That, to this body line right there?
Yeah, that's what I was going for.
Yep.
And
Awesome.
then, what do we got here? 20, I guess if we stay with that line, 20 and a half.
Okay.
It's about an inch.
So it kind of has a little bit of a rake already.
It rakes a little, which
Yeah.
I hate.
Well, yeah.
I know.
Now, what do you do with this thing? Like, you and your family,
We
you
go
guys.
get groceries a lot.
Okay.
It's a grocery getter.
Realistically, sure.
But we do a lot of driving back roads. A lot of driving. So
Got it.
Lots of gravel. And then whenever we can find a minimum maintenance, we're doing that. We've been up north. We don't rock crawl. That's not what it's for. It's for putting 3 toddlers in the back, finding a back road, and just getting out.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
And you put content up on a couple different platforms, right?
Yeah. Well, I got my art one, but this one I started a daily Suburban.
Okay.
Just
Yep.
sharing what we do with toddlers, and there's other people out there doing it with toddlers.
Yeah.
So it's fun to share that. Yeah.
Very cool. I dig it. All right. So let's pop open some boxes in the back
Yeah.
and see what you bought.
That's exactly. All right. It's all crammed in here.
Cool.
So we got this stuff.
All right. I'll help you unload. Yep.
That's
Oh, that's gonna be awesome. I've always loved these stock steelies, and
they're the skinniest 35s I could find for a reasonable price.
okay.
I think Mickey Thompson Baja, but they're
Yeah.
$400 or $500 a tire.
Right.
And they're skinny, but like I'm not rich, so
Yep.
yeah. Ordered
Now-
them through Trail Built. They're out of Wisconsin.
Awesome. Rough country. You already kind of dug through and made sure we got.
made sure we had, so we got some protection. These are
Strut spacer, basically. Yep.
your
Perfect. Yep.
stuff like that.
Yep.
These guys.
Yep. Okay.
These must be the rear.
Must be rear. Yep.
The spacers, which I haven't opened,
Okay.
and then these sexy things.
Be the control arms, huh? Nice. Ooh. Yeah, I dig that. Yeah, man.
You're
That's
not
gonna be
able
awesome.
to see it, but
Hey. Yep. That's gonna be cool.
I haven't even opened these.
Okay.
Just in case we got to push these out, I bought these.
Okay.
But I definitely don't want to be one of those squatty truck.
Oh yeah, okay. Adjusters for the upper control arms. Yep.
So in case we need more space.
Whoa. Okay. Yeah, can really offset it.
Yeah.
Right.
I mean,
dang.
I don't know.
Okay.
Just in case.
Cool, man. All right. So let's get this thing on the hoist, start ripping into it, and get some tools out. All right. So we got all of our parts laid out and ready to rock here. Read through these. That's going to help a lot. And you can see underneath here, this truck did already have 1-inch blocks underneath. We're going to be doing things like maybe taking these things off. That'll kind of help some ground clearance issues. And you can tell that this thing still has the factory spacers in it and things like that. So a lot has gone unchanged, but there is some things that are going to be changed along the way as well. So not everything is going to be done today. Nick was just saying that he's going to be putting shocks in it. Our new kit has new links for our sway bar and things like that. So what you're seeing is kind of like step 1 and step 2 of what he wants to accomplish down the line. But yeah, time to pull the wheels, and we're going to drop the front diff down, get our cross member out, cut the notch, and really get tearing in. All right, so now that we've got our spacers out, got the struts loose, and we can continue with disassembly. The good news is we're replacing these bolts up here, and everything's working and cooperating, so that helps a lot. And got some new axles we're gonna be getting from the Napa store, so yeah, good progress so far. Perfect.
That's it.
Nice.
There you go. Come on. It's there. It's just
Okay.
cockeyed. I don't know. We got to move something.
So what we're doing right now is putting the spacers in to drop the differential down that 1 inch. So using these tools here, just did a little bit of a Michael Jackson nose job on that. Took it down a little bit. Hopefully that's enough, just getting those ribs out of the way. But we'll find out. We'll get it up inside there, see if we got enough clearance. Right, here's where we're at. Our differential is back up into place. You can see where we notched the cross member, and I took a little bit of material off the diff right there. It's all installed and tight. We're getting ready to put our CV axles in. Nick is putting the new skid plate that's supplied because it needs to notch down just a little bit because the differential sits lower. So yeah, good progress. All right, struts, spacers are in. We're getting ready to use the pry bar.
I have to try and be home by 6.
Pretty close. It's gonna mostly fit.
We need 2-inch spacers. Just look how they don't hang out.
Oh, okay.
Right from here.
Yeah.
I know the tire's gonna come up a little, but
for the look that you want, you gotta space it
I
out.
want that tire right about there.
Yeah, I'm not sure. So these are spacers from a different lift kit. We're gonna take those out, and the spacers we're putting in are gonna go on top of the spring. So get everything loose. You just need to get everything to go down. And our sway bars need this little deal pressed in, so give them a little help. Put them in there like that. Press them in. Just like that. Bingo. Moving on. Nice. Spacers are in up there. Springs are back in. Shocks are tight. New links are in. I think so. Yeah. We got it. So we'll take final measurements once we get the wheels and tires on. But yeah, that definitely gained. All right, we're gonna head to the other shop, do the alignment, and put the tires on. All right, so I'm not gonna give you step-by-step on how to mount and balance tires. That's a video for a different day. Obviously, through this entire thing, I haven't been giving you step-by-step everything that we're doing. That's what instructions are for, and other people have covered that thoroughly. But so we're gonna put these together, balance them up, get them on the truck, and then we'll do the alignment. So Nick decided to go with a 2-inch spacer on there, and that gives just the right amount of look that he's going for. With the sidewall, everything's sticking out right where he wants it. He tried it without the spacer. It still looked a little bit too tucked in. And so we got these worked down. Looks really good. There's our final alignment, and really happy with how that turned out. Looks super good, and with everything underneath tight, ready to rock. Get some fresh grease in a couple spots and take it on our test drive. Yep. So we got some touchage, yeah.
Doing this.
All right, so here's our final measurements.
Say about
After lift kit and wheels tires.
22.
22. Yep.
Now it's sitting in the back.
23. All right, so it does have a little bit of a rake to it.
That
But
inch
hey.
spacer
Yeah.
brings up.
And we'll probably put those spacers back underneath the front struts up here. So that's the plan. We'll get all the height out of it that we possibly can. But dude, what do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Yep.
Perfect. Good.
I like the stance.
Yep. And it's what you imagined, it's what you were hoping for? Yeah. Awesome. Good deal, man.
Now let's see if everything falls apart on the way home.
You'll be great.
Rip all that off.
Yeah. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for coming along, you guys. We had a great time. It was a fun afternoon. I love hanging out with my buddies and playing trucks. So where can they find you if they're looking for...
This is Daily Suburban on Instagram.
Okay.
That's what we're doing.
There you go. Awesome. I'm Flannel Phillip. This is Nick Sinclair. Thanks so much for coming along, you guys. Peace and grease.